I had the whole spiel and everything, pare. Pero yun nga, that doesn't account for yung mga ibang players on TA and everything else as well. Pero Silent already starting things off. Axor already
Yes,
taken
sir.
down, trying to take advantage dito sa LA with the better timing. Pero in-expect yata ng R7 na yun yung mangyayari. Pero Yaba getting Zeke in return. And it's a 1-for-1. Okay, nagkagulo lang sa start ng round and it's all Silent again.
Wait lang. Surprisingly, no, for the side of AL, wala silang sniper player dito sa LA. And
Not
feeling
yet, I think.
ko, that's why Isor nahulog siya agad-agad. Maybe they just wanted to change up the game, no? They wanted to change up the timing. And maybe R7, di nila ma-expect, no? Isang napakabiglang push galing sa LA. So, it is a bit of a change and it is a bit of a call. But now, R7, gusto naman nila pumuesto dito sa labas ng B, sa warehouse. Dalawa, nagbabantay dito, Angkor. And it is going to be an execute eventually sooner or later. Kaso nga lang, yung mid-side ng AL bukas na bukas. I don't know if this is a good thing for them, pero ang akala ko, magle-lurk yung isang miyembro ng R7, hindi nila tutuloy at gusto nila 4-man execute. Pasok dito. Counter flash, ready? Ano yan na nga? Papasok na din sila. Buhos, galing side ng R7, unang mahulog. Nagbabantay sa side. Iren, nahulog na din to si Yaba. Good start para sa side ng Re7, Hogging and Zerk. Nahirapan sila dito sa retake na to. Daming utility, daming flash. Kaso nga lang, yung mga, yung kill feed natin, hindi siya maganda kung ikaw ay isang fan ng Re7 and buti na lang na ayos ni Charles. 2K ang nahanap niya dyan. Finding the first blood dito sa mapang to.
Yeah, after that very chaotic exchange sa start ng
Very
game natin,
chaotic.
I think it was expected na Re7 would go for a possible re-hit either sa mid or sa long. Pero, I mean, it was laser-focused pa rin dito sa dalawang players ng B. But one really good flash galing sa B house and it was basically all over para sa Amilion. They even got itong babaan ng B immediately. And pag nakuha na rin yun ng Re7, it's just a tough retake in general. You have to account for so many angles para maka-retake lang. Granted, nakuha nila yung dalawang players sa baba, but I think you just expect both players to come from yung Ares natin and it's just an easy hold for the side of R7.
Labas na naman ng warehouse. Mukhang uulitin itong R7. Ang kanilang gustong gawin dito. Silent, una nakahanap. Yaba nakadalawa. Maganda ang hold na ginawa nila. Set trap. Perfectly executed. Ngayon, papasok na sa site. Anong gagawin nila? C4, planted, retake. Mahirap para sa side ng AL. Isang choke point lang ang kanilang papasukan. Zerk, Red Life, pistol, naghahanap na, and R7 taking another round. Gusto nila ituloy yung momentum. And they want to take this as much rounds as they can. Galing sila dito sa BL side.
Yeah, dalawang rounds na lang para sa side ng R7 and maganda na yung half na to para sa kanila men.
Oo. Napakaganda.
Emilio needs an immediate answer dito sa kanilang GR side in order to stop this momentum. And I'm not sure about yung decision dito ni Zerk to not play yung sniper dito sa top A. Feeling ko hindi niya yata feel yung snipe, so he'd rather go the M4 for now. And he's been really good with it in all honesty.
Totoo.
Pero
But, I don't
how
know.
good is it gonna work, pare? Yun yung tanong.
I don't know. It just doesn't provide enough strength here. Usually, di ba nakakita natin, isa lang ang nagbabantay dito sa A long side, sa A site. At siguro, isa lang din dito sa mid. Tapos may isa pang player na kind of watching mid, kind of watching B. Basta, fast rotate siya sa B. And I feel like that would help the side of R7 or the side of AL kahit papaano, no? Kasi dun sila natalo sa B site flood ng ginagawa nila.
I thought Arsec was going for yung ninja for a second there, man. Not gonna lie. Pero pupunta lang siya ng CA just to throw a flash sa A site para lang makabog dito ang ating depensa. Pero titignan natin kung paano magre-react yung Amilion. One is holding Godbox. Yung isa nandito sa baba. But Axor ready for the flash. One player playing the information game, si Iren nandito na sa baba. And that's a really good support to have kung ikaw si Axor dito. 1 minute execute potentially para sa side ng R7. They don't want to reveal themselves though. Kitang-kita yan dito sa my first window. Pero ito na nga, push papunta ng B-side. And here comes the counter flash. Axor from the Godbox. Hindi siya bulag at all. Getting to by Charles already down. Pero nasa loob na ng B-side dito yung R7. Pero hindi pa nila nakukuha yung C4. Hindi pa nila nabababa. 40 seconds. R2 and Silent pushing all the way through. Baba ng B has been taken by R7. Zeke with the double kill. 180 spray. And Poging, the last one left alive para sa Amilion, pero Arsec 1 HP. Really good save galing kay
Yeah.
Poging. 20 seconds. C4 nasa site pero isang headshot lang galing kay Arsec and that could make all the difference. Pero na kay Arsec yung objective para
Time.
mag-plant ng C4. So he can go for a fake. Pero nakita niya,
Uy!
narinig, nakuha yung C4 and it was all a bait. It was a
What?
sound bait galing kay Arsec and he was aware na pwedeng lumabas galing sa RS box. And just went for the spray and pray, pare. R7, 3-0 start sa kanilang BL ng Portman.
Kaya ba i-comeback tong A Million Gaming? Nakita natin nung map 1, parang ganito yung storya. Kaso nga lang, parang may switch sa kanilang ulo na sinabi, guys, ayusin na natin, comebackin na natin. Will this be the same thing that happens for A Million Gaming dito sa mapa ulit to? Ngayon, nahirapan sila, dumipensa. It's the lack of the sniper. It really just does not allow them to take the LA space, no? Tsaka nahihirapan na din sila i-hold yung ibang parte ng mapa. With that being said ngayon,
Yep.
default na naman Zerk. Masyadong madaming damage na kulungan niya dyan. Tinan mo, red life na din siya. Siya pa naman ang nag-iisa dyan sa A area.
Who's
And
in B?
dapat di siya mahulog as, well, Zerk rather, is in B. Pero mukhang handa ang mga miyembro ng A Million Gaming para sa flood na gagawin dito ng R7. Zerk,
Oh, I like this.
very close.
Kasi
Very
nasa
red
likod
life.
maglaland
So,
yung flash namin. Actually,
Yeah.
from B.
very smart.
Silence
Yaba,
spotted.
alam na. Nakita mo si Silent. And that gives the information. Oo, nandito sila sa B. Humanda na kayo, guys. Kasi baka mag-execute na tong R7 na to. And it takes one flash to entry. There it is. Flash grenade tinapan na dyan sa ere. Pero unang point of contact, si Zork nahulog na. Eyesore with the breast back. Wala naman din siya nahanap. 3v4 as the C4 goes down. 3v3 na naman ngayon Silent though. Yung veterano, nagpapakita siya ng gilas. Yaba, muntik pa na lumaban dito.
Oh,
Poging.
1v1.
Once again, 1v1. Pero ngayon, nakaplant naman ang C4. Ano ba pwede niyang gawin dito? Naghahanap ng tamang tiga, ng tamang pitas. Itong si Charles, 20 seconds na lang din ang iiwan dito. Poging! Mali ang
chill,
kanyang
chill.
pwesto, mali ang kanyang lugar. 15 seconds left and the disadvantage is all on his hands. At Charles ang magwawagi sa sitwasyon na yan. 4-0-3-7 in an amazing BL side round. A Million Gaming. This is not the start that you want dito sa mapang to.
Grabe, the dilemma between yung AK at yung M4 doon. M4 being a lot better for the wall bangs. Pero ito na nga, ang Re7, full A long push, 3 nades papuntang top A. Pero hindi nabawasan si Poging dito. Zerk with the kill dito kay Zeke. Poging on half HP. What is happening? LA, is it gonna be pushed at all? Va, nakarating na ng top A. Arsec, and the kill kay
Hello?
Exor. Si Yaba, nandito pa sa hagdan and they need to clear him immediately. Yaba getting two. Irendo sumasagot with the taps on the AK. Si Zerk nasa likod na. Va na lang natitira with the M4. C4 sa gitna ng kawalan. And Iren, Zerk, can they finally get around on the board para sa Amilion? Alam ni Va na merong nasa likod. Zerk, almost getting turned around on with the initial misses. Pero 4-1, Amilion finally gets one on the board, pare.
Yeah, nakaisa sila pero nakaapat na din tong Re7 na to. Kahit matalo ang Re7 dito sa apat sa susunod na rounds, komportable pa sila sa nakuha nilang score line. Yung mapa kasi na to, very GR-sided. So, kahit apat lang makuha mo na sa BL, maganda na.
Ninja? Reverse ninja?
Napakalakas ang kanilang napakita sa atin dito.
Reverse
Okay.
ninja?
Tinuloy, mid, tinutulak, labanan agad. Sino mang wawagi?
Oh.
Magwawagi. Masama yan kung ikaw nasa side ng BL ngayon. Yaba, naiwan na siya dito na mag-isa. Kaso nga lang, alam niya, aware siya na gusto may
He's gonna go for it.
push. Tuloy-tuloy lang din ang kanyang tulak. Kaso nga lang, nadali na din. Poging, nag-iisa dito sa A site. Ilan ba ang kanyang pwedeng hanapin dito? Mukhang wala. Kasi back to the default na naman itong 3-7. Great call. Galing side ng BL side.
Yeah. Tignan mo naman HP though ng R7 dito. Half HP si Silent at si Zeke, 1 HP si Charles. So si Van na lang ang full HP dito. Silent going for the aggressive play. Going in towards Z and I think i-clear na to just in case na merong player na nasa loob can gather information. Pero ito na nga, B-side gonna be pushed.
Uy.
What a shot galing kay Va! Taking down si Iren immediately dito sa B-side. Pero nasa na yung tulong? Nandito na si Axor. Pero mag-isa lang si Axor na nasa loob and maririnig yata ang pag-rotate ni Poging and a potential flank para dito kay Silent. It's looking
Oh,
good.
no.
Axor getting si Charles pero Silent gets one in return dito kay Poging. Axor gets two though! Wala sa kanya yung C4. Silent at Zeke dumaan na lang pabalik ng A-site pero meron ng idea dito si Axor na nasa A-site na ang R7 since
Delikado.
nasa mid dito si Silent. But what is the answer para sa Amelion? Axor spotting one on top pero alam niya ba na naandito sa gilid si Silent waiting
Di
for the
yata.
perfect opportunity para i-push ang BR.
Ayan na.
Nandito na yung tap. Si Zeke na mismo ang
Hindi na pala
magpapatay.
kailangan.
And 5-1 R7.
Oh my goodness.
Grabe, what is this half dito sa kanilang BL pare? Amelion, hindi sila makasagot.
Napakahirap ng ginagawa dito ng Amelion. Nag-agresibo na nga sila dyan sa mid pero parang binasa pa din sila. Okay, damage dealt dito sa mid side. Red life itong si Arsec. Yaba daw. Also, taking a lot of damage kasama din si Zerk ngayon. O back to holding na naman tong Amelion Gaming. Nahirapan na sila maghanap ng kahit anong depensa dito. Kahit anong gawain. Yaba. Muntik na mahulog. Pero buti na lang, nabuhay pa muli. B warehouse. Gusto na naman kunin naman tong V7 na to, yung B area. Kaya ba nila to itulak once again? Amelion Gaming. Nahirapan na din sila dito mag-hold. Nahirapan na din sila dito dumipensa. Kaya ba nila to? C4. Nasa spawn pa. So, ibig sabihin, just iwan lang ng insert dyan sa mid sa B side. At mukhang mid ang kanilang gustong itulak dito. Dalawa ng membro ng R7 nakabantay dito sa mid. Naka-insert sa mid. And I think at one point, it is going to be a B split. Tatlo. Dumidepensa sa side ng Amelion Gaming. It needs to be perfect here. Flashbangs ng the lineup. Naayos na. Pagtapon, pasok ang Re7. Pero mukhang may unting hesitasyon.
what a
And
spot.
that cost them. Zeke, hulog. Iren, dalawa. Silent, finding another. And 3K, galing kay Iren. Kaya ba niya hanapin yung pangapat? Oo, and Iren showing up the MVP of that round. 4K, giving another round for dito for Amelion Gaming.
Yeah, great spray control galing dito kay Eren to get that last kill. And it was just between two players. Nag-share lang sila ng moment dito sa B-side. Nag-share sila ng attention between all the players ng R7 and R7 didn't know who to aim for first. Pero Zerk, he's getting aimed at dito sa LA pero hindi siya makakit sa ladder. He's having a hard time. Zerk, half HP na agad pero hindi niya kailangan i-peek itong top A. Pero babalik na lang siya. He confirms na hindi pa to ang execute ng R7. And they all calm down pero I mean from that initial exchange pare si Zerk pa nga yung pinakabawas dito.
Yeah. I mean, lahat naman ng R7 kahit pa paano nabawas pero napakalit ng damage and it is a fast A long push. It is.
Imagine.
I thought it was a fast A long push pero fake lang pala. Poging. Handang-handa siya sa wala. Walang kalaban dyan pare ko eh. And the fake coming out from R7 could be huge. Napakabilis. Napaka-planchado but it's balik dito sa mid.
Yeah. I'm
Punta short.
still not sure kung bakit like Zerk refuses to pick up yung sniper man. That could have went very differently dito sa A site. Even if nandito siya sa ladder, he could have gotten one player dito sa LA but I think he's so worried na magta-tunnel vision siya
Oh my
with
God,
the
let him cook.
AWM. Pero tignan natin Poging. Flash is gonna be incoming here. This is an A execute pare.
Ganda. Ngayon, ilan ba ang makuha dito ni Poging? Isa lang. And Yaba, dyan, kasama ng rest back. Silent, damage, taking. And now,
C4.
3 on 3. Kaso nga lang, nahulog na din ng veterano. Isor, holding mid. It's such an extended gunfight. Still, 1v3 na lang ang naiwan dito ng Amelion Gaming na magwawagi dyan sa round na yan. Feeling ko, masyado sila, kumbaga nag-overcook sila dyan sa plano ng ginawa, no?
Yeah,
I like
they
the
took it
idea.
forward.
Take A long, hanap ng isang pitas dyan kay Zerk, tapos rotate to B. Pero feeling ko, A long, go back A short, masyadong luto.
Yep. Pero
Let's be honest.
look at where Zerk is. Tignan mo, magpupush ng LA dito si Zerk and he finally has the sniper. Thank you
Wow.
Mamalig sa akin, pero he dies in the process anyways.
I
And,
don't know why.
Ayan, it's a 1-for-1. It's fine. Low dito si Va. I mean, compared sa HP ng baka ibang players dito ng Amelion, if they catch Va, a single pixel, and that's an immediate 3v4 to the advantage dito ng Amelion. And finally, Zerk picking up the sniper. Granted na it's not the result that he wanted na he could kill 2 dito sa A-Long. It's still a pick.
Yeah.
At nakay
Pero
silent pa.
I don't know why it only took up to now para kay Zerk para kunin yung na yan, di ba?
Delayed
Bakit?
kasi yung stream. 3
Delayed
minutes.
pa rin yung stream.
And he was like, I should om actually.
I heard someone I should take the Maybe I should do it now.
He has a point.
In the last round of the first half.
It's fine. Rather than wala.
I guess. Okay.
Got
V7.
silent though. That's a big pick.
That he did. Pero ngayon, V7. Punta dito sa B. Napakalaki ng impact na nakuha nila dito.
Oh.
Hold out. Isor finding one. Will he be able to find a second? Wala. Ayaba din. At least, nandyan sa side can pa paano. Ngayon, flashbang, natapon, utility, pinubuhos. Gusto na nila, i-take tong tech na to. Alam nila na may tao dyan. Zeke gets traded out and now it's down to a one-on-one reposition. Posible pa. Kaso nga lang,
40
C4,
seconds.
hindi pa pinaplant.
Nahulog si Arsec. Hold up.
Arsec could
He's so
find
brave
the
for this
proper
one.
timing here. Kaso nga lang, si Yaba handang-handa in a 5-4 scoreline. Amelion Gaming kahit paano. Binalik nila to their extent. Paso, 5 rounds
It's still
galing
a
sa
good
BL
half.
side. It's a really good half para sa side ng Re7. Let's see if Amelion Gaming can answer back. Well,
Yeah.
as we saw from last match, both these teams are good when it comes to BL. So
Okay.
maybe it's the same story here. Flashbangs. Tapon sa long, but it's not fully commit.
Arsec getting the memo early though. Okay, sniper agad sa top A. Someone in CA. Ooh, Zerk. Zerk. Aw,
Oh,
that's 2.
Spider-Man sana. But it's too much to ask. Zeke also finding a trade for himself.
Oh?
Yaba, hanap si Va. Dito pa rin ang
Oh,
sniper.
no,
Arsec, hindi tumama. That might be a very, very crucial shot. Poging, nahanap na. Kaso nga lang, tinumba naman ang buhay ng dalawang miyembro dito ng Amelion Gaming. Split up na naman sila ulit dito sa LA. Ayaw naman nila ito i-commit. Silent holding mid. No way he gets this shot off. Alam ni Poging na may tao dyan. At gusto lumaban lang dito ng onte. And Charles finally parang langaw na pinatay. Nakuha na din si Poging and Isor as well. R7, pinapakita nila kung bakit tong mapa na to ay global risk-sided and they
Yeah.
just use it to its advantage.
That's the advantage. Pag meron kang sniper dito sa top A, pwede bang makakuha ng access sa CA pa? Oh my god, una nilang pinansin yung top A player instead dito sa CA, but you can't blame them, man. That sniper is really dangerous pag pinabayaan lang. Ay, ito na kayo
Ayan na
sinasabi
nga.
ko, Arsec with the sniper. Pati si Zerk
Ayan.
nakuha. Exor might as well peek. Quick soap not gonna hit. Akit pa siya. And then, nandito na yung
Pwede.
tropa.
Oo, trades. Pero ayan na nga. Tama ka nga. Nandyan na nga ang tropa leaving Isor into a 1v2.
Metal pa.
Winnable? Maybe. Charles, nasa taas.
Tough
Zeke,
angle.
sa baba. Napakahirap ng angulo na to and Isor just slowly but surely falls to the hands of Re7. And this Re7, really, really strong right now. Pinapakita nila ang kanilang lakas dito sa mapang to and there's a reason why they picked this map up.
Yeah, for sure. Strength is on towards their side. And tingnan mo naman si Va, so aggressive dito sa LA.
Hello.
And Poging does get an early, a bit of an early information na merong mga tao dito sa LA. So I think they have a rough idea na naka-play for picks pa rin dito yung R7. So they're gonna back up a little bit sa LA and instead they're gonna go a bit aggressive sa may LB instead. Silent, switching places with his teammate, tossing nades. And Axor getting hit by it. So mayroon 3 tao dito sa court and they're gonna attempt to get itong LB control.
Yeah. But ngayon, spread out pa naman ng mga member dito ng R7. Warehouse, potential.
Oh, big pick.
Ooh, si Zeke pa lang nahulog sa kamay ni Isor. But silent with the trade. R7 still keeping up the advantage. Still trying to fight here. Still keeping up the advantage rather. As Silent, lalabanan pa ba niya tong angulo na to? Mukhang ayaw niya wala dito. Charles finding one. Trade. Galing kay Poging and Silent. Yung veterano, pinapakita niya ang kanyang gilas. And Smoke. Tinapon na dito sa warehouse. Tinigilan ang Amilion. Sa kanilang pwesto. Trying to find for another pickoff. Kaso nga lang, tingnan mo ba naman, ang baba na ng HP na dito ni Poging. Iren din. Taking too much damage.
Oh.
Arsec with the M4 just needs a spray down dyan kay Iren. And Poging, so much to do. Pero napakaliit ang buhay. And Arsec cleans it up. Dalawa na lang ang kailangan dito ng Arsec. R7 rather. Para pumunta sa map 3.
Malay mo, diba? The R in R7 could stand for RSEC, pare. But
We don't know that.
we don't know that.
RSEC
Flash.
7.
Oh, on the B side,
Whoa.
it's a full LB push. Galing sa side ng Abelion Gaming. Silent though with the immediate headshot. And he is still rolling 15 frags. Could be 16 very soon. Van, nakuha na nga si Zerk and they tried to go and give chase dito kay Silent but they ran into the wrong M4 instead. Yaba and Iren gusto pa rin pilitin itong B-side but they are getting absolutely shot dito sa wooden parts with the M4s.
Yaba?
Yaba getting the kill kay Charles but still it's a very tough push. Yaba getting naded into absolute hell dito
Nako.
sa dulo. And Silent getting si Iren. The last one left alive is si Pogin and I am smelling a map point para sa R7. And Poging na lang natitira. Va gonna go for the finish potentially. Meron na silang information pero meron din tao
Isa
sa
pa.
likod and they go for the
Wala.
two-man push. R7 map point, map 3 is staring us at our faces, pare.
Nahihirapan na ang Million Gaming sa pinaggagawa. Ito yung sinasabi natin, masyadong maraming rounds ang pinick up dito ni R7. Pagdating netong BL side nila and Zeke finding another one dyan kay Isor. Trying to keep up the momentum. Granada, tinapon, damage being dealt. Nahirapan na ang Million Gaming dito para makapaghanap ng pinto sa kahit anong site na gusto nilang pasukan. R7 now just holding it. Granada, tinapon na din dito sa bot mid. Pogi, alis nakahanap ng isa. Zeke and Arsec though, tuloy-tuloy pa din. Million Gaming, mukhang mapupunta nga tayo dito sa map 3. Kung hindi sila lumaban
Whoa.
palalo, Zerk able to find for another one.
Whoa.
And Zerk able to find for 2. The X-Factor, kaso nga lang, si Silent, galing sa likod, tinitigilan kung ano mang momentum na gusto nilang kunin. Red Life,
Oh, they know
Zerk,
where he is.
kailangan ng isang milagro. Kailangan ng isang nagkakaibang player. 1-on-1. Va.
1 HP though.
CA. Alinya malalaman na may
checks
tao
it.
na pala sa
Checks
likod
it.
and that will take it to map 3.
Grabe.